Good afternoon, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson, Hagerstown bound today. Going to look at a multifamily for a client of mine because they couldn't make it, and going to check out a potential fix and list or a potential fix and sell. We don't know, but we'll find out when we get there. See you. All right, so we got train tracks right there, and here is the building. Looks pretty cool with the whitewash. Excuse me. Pretty nice street. Let's take a look at the bottom unit. We got baseboard heat. And it's electric. Got a window AC unit in there. Closet. Do we have power? We do have power. Big kitchen space. Baseboard needs some work. I would say it needs a new kitchen. Laundry on this side. And that char mark there generally indicates something was caught on fire. I don't see a refrigerator in here either. Check out this side. Start all the way in the back. Ooh, that's water damage. When it peels off like that, especially on the exterior wall, that's water damage. These tiles, I don't have a tape measure, but that kind of looks like a 9x9. If it is, that's asbestos. This floor's not level either. All right, so that's just not open, or excuse me, not closed. Looks like there's a garage out back. I can't tell if that's for this unit. No, that's the one across the way. Bathroom, dual vanities, big bathroom. A ceiling fan in a bathroom. That's new. Bedroom number 2. Got char marks all along there. Looks like she got some more water. More water penetration here. Overall, not hateful. Fixable for sure, but let's go check out the upstairs unit. All right, so we are inside here. We got a hole in the ceiling up there. Overall, good shape. Good dining space. And hi, kitty. What's up? And bedroom number 1. And pretty much an exact layout of downstairs. Bedroom number 2. Bed, bathroom. And this seems pretty much the same layout. Bedroom number 3. Let's see if this wall has the same issues as downstairs. No, that's solid, which is good. access out back. We got a broken window there. Alright, so we just saw the inside of 2 units. There's a hole in the ceiling on unit 2. It's right there. Looking at the top of that dormer up there, doesn't look great. Let's take a look around the side here. I like that it's an all brick building. And alright, so we got good parking out back there. There's the back staircase. Let's see if we can get a better angle on that roof. So each side, I guess, has their own side yard. Yeah, so each unit has their own yard, which is nice. And tons of parking. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Move that out of the way. You could probably get 5 or 6 cars in here. Alright, so that roof, at least the part we can see, looks pretty good. And I want to probably on this side and this side, it's probably a rubber roof if I had to guess. So there's not a lot of pitch on it, but I don't want this garage thing to myself. Alright, so we got some damage on the soffits there. Nothing crazy though. Overall, it's in pretty great shape. Okay, so the stairs for the top unit dump over there into that yard space, and then this one's here. That makes sense. Some peeling rocky paint. Got some chip and paint here. I mean, for the right price, everything's a good buy. And got a little hole up there. So I think overall, you're gonna have to pull the ceilings on each, check the roof, paint everything. Kind of a big undertaking, but all in all, I think the numbers could work. So this is 807 and 809 Mulberry Ave. So overall, what did you think of that thing? Yeah, obviously it's going to need some work, but you know, what property doesn't need work that is actually a good deal? So I don't know. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. We're off to the next one.